back, guys. Thanks for joining. If you are new to this channel, welcome. And I do upload a variety of content, so hopefully some of it will spark your interest and you will want to subscribe to my channel. So today I am restocking my coffee and tea bar area for this fall. Now, this is a space we use all year long. However, we use it more for fall and for winter. And of course, rightfully so, this is the space where we can get a hot cup of coffee, a hot chocolate, and hot tea. So come on in and let me share with you the items that I use and all the things that I do to change up to bring in the coziness and the warmth of the season. So first off, guys, I'm starting with changing and adding in my syrups for the season, the pumpkin caramel, and also the pumpkin pecan. And these are some jars, and I ordered them from Amazon, and I'm going to add these in to put out on the counter. Now, previously, I showed you guys in one of my videos that I have all the syrups, and I usually keep them in a basket in the cabinet below. But for this season, I decided to go ahead and pull this out so we can have some of the flavors sitting out, easily accessible for us to use for this time of the year. And next, of course, I'm pulling out my coffee, and this is what I use. My husband loves this brand. It is Kirkland's brand, Colombian brand from Costco's. And I'm just going to add the coffee and the sugar in. And these are the canisters, guys, that I use during the fall and winter. They're the darker color. They're bringing a more cozier feel. So the color of these and the look of these helps bring in the look that I want for fall. Now, these are the jars that I use to store my coffee creamers and the sweeteners like stevia and the monk fruit, and I like to have them accessible and out on the counter for guests when they come in. I'm not sure if they would like them, if they would need the stevia or the monk fruit or whatever they prefer, and I store them here with my flavored syrups. Now, guys, I'm adding a nutmeg and cinnamon to the bar. And for me, these are must-have spices that I add in for this time of the year. We use them mostly in the hot coffees and the lattes. Now I am restocking my sip stirs. Got them from Amazon, and I keep these on the bar all year long. They are perfect for stirring your beverage as well as sipping your hot tea, coffee, or whatever you have. Now, guys, I'm moving on to the other side of the space where I store and keep the candies. And in a previous video, I mentioned that I have these candies stored on the bar for my grandgirls so they can be a special treat for them, as well as this time of the year for fall and winter. We use these items more because we use them they like to put them in their hot teas. Now, I have the ginger drops, lemon drops, cherry, the cinnamon, the peppermint, and spearmint candies. Now, these are the candies that you get from Cracker Barrel, but guys, I find them at a cheaper location from Rose's. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that store. It's like a 5 dime store, and they have them for half the price that Cracker Barrel have them for. And I stock the bar using these because, especially this time of the year, because the girls like to put one piece in their hot tea. Thought it was a perfect addition to this bar because it gives the flavor and the sweetened sugar for the girls' tea. Now I'm moving on to the girls' candy and the treats that I put on the bar. And these are the candies that I would put for the season. So the candies that are going in these jars are usually going to represent the seasoning or the holiday that we're celebrating for that time of the year. And also here is where I would add in a decoration as well that will go with the season or the holiday. And as you can see here, I did this candy corn decoration along with the candy corn. And this is a DIY short that I uploaded last week, I believe. Quick and easy. And it was fun to do. I did it because my youngest granddaughter loves candy corn. So I thought it was a great addition for the season to help decorate for the space. And now I am restocking my teapots. Now, we don't use these teapots very often, but when we do, I like to have them here in this spot. I don't stock them all the way up because we don't use them that often. Usually we're using a tea bag. We prefer the tea bags. The girls prefer a tea bag as well. But this is where I stock my teapots. And also, you'll see that I use honey spoons and I stock them in this little jar. Now, I do keep my honey jar accessible to just put the pour honey in. I don't do that unless I know there's an occasion and I am hosting it and I will have people come over for it and I will store it in there. And I do this only because the jar is not sealed tight, so I don't like to leave it there for a long period of time. And here is where I am storing my coffee pods. I can store more in this coffee pod holder that of course sits under the Keurig. Well guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoy watching as I restock my coffee and tea bar to help cozy up my home for the season. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.